I'm Paul Byerly, the general manager of the Pulsator. Think about what farmers' needs are. Climate is everything to them. In a survey of 800 farmers, 70% say that climate change already has a large impact on their farms. On average, farmers estimate that their incomes had dropped by 15% due to climate change in the past 2 years. Over 75% are worried about the future impact of climate change. Over 50% called for better crop protection technology, and over 80% want options for success in dealing with climate change. They need to find solutions. They need to have a solution to this problem that climate change is creating for them. And so what we've done is we've created this part called the Pulsator 205. The Pulsator 205 is easy to install and is inexpensive. It can be installed using an existing drip system. It mounts above the trees or vines to distribute rain-sized drops, and it only uses a small fraction of the water of conventional sprinklers. The standard Pulsator in an application only operates at 6.5 gallons an hour, which is a drip flow rate, but still puts out a spray pattern, a 360-degree circular spray pattern that's 22 feet in diameter. That allows you to turn the whole system on. And so what that does for you is if you have a late season frost where you have to protect your buds, you can turn the whole system on and get the igloo effect, and what's called the heat of fusion, which then imparts frost protection to your crop. It operates at such low flow, it minimizes all the rest of the costs of all the pipes and pumps and electricity demand and everything else that goes into pushing a lot of water through a system. That goes away. If you're in an environment susceptible to late season frost, our product will help you with late season frost. But also if you're in a climate that then is susceptible to these really hot streaks that we're seeing more and more of around the world, you have a product already in the field because you installed it. Maybe originally you wanted frost protection, but now you're finding you need it to cool your crop as well. Ours does both. So it actually provides the farmer with a very good value. Now we're introducing a technology that's been utilized very successfully in other parts of the world, and now we're introducing it into the biggest agricultural market in the world. Farmers in the US need this technology to protect their crops. Now we're bringing it to them. Please visit our website, thepulsator.com, for more information or to order a free sample.